Hey friends, if you wish to fix audio crackling in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select sound in the right pane, scroll down and go to the sound option. Scroll down and change audio, and if this doesn't help, then go to the system tab, scroll down, select troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Once this is sorted, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Lastly, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs and update the drivers one by one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.